Kimberly Thomason here with Vac MD, and if you recently purchased a Triflex, I am going to show you quickly how to use it. Now that you own a Miele Triflex, here is how to use it. The Triflex was named for this reason because you can put it into 3 different positions. So the first thing you want to do is get yourself familiar with the different buttons. There's a button right here in the center that will help you remove your wand. There is a button inside your handle that will help you release your handle. And the last button is down here at the bottom, which will release your power unit from the floor tool. So that's the biggest part. Now that you have it apart in all of its 4 different pieces, you can do whatever you want with it. You can take your wand, and there's only one way this works, and put your wand into your floor tool, and then you'll put your power unit into your wand, and then your handle on, and then you have a unit that makes it easier for you to go underneath things like beds and furniture. Now, this is not my recommended way of using it most of the time. I prefer using it as the way I had it, with the power unit lower. But before I go there, there is your hand vac. You can put your tools, attach your tools to here, and then we can put it back to where the power unit is lower. This makes it seem lighter and easier to manage, especially if you have a lot of surface to cover. So that is how you rearrange your unit. The second thing I want to show you is how to empty it. In order to empty it, you have your 12 o'clock position. You want to bring your top to 11 o'clock, and that releases your dirt cup. Then you will bring your dirt cup, I'm going to do this on the counter, all the way to 9 o'clock, and 9 o'clock will empty it for you. Then close your bottom while bringing it back to 11 and put it in. Now, this is how I do it. There are 2 ways of doing this. I leave it at 11 o'clock, and as I'm bringing it to 12, it kind of closes itself in. You're going to have a little gapping here. That is totally normal. What Miele's instructions tell you to do is bring it back to 12 o'clock, and you can snap it in. Again, either way, whichever you prefer. I like the gentler way, but that's up to you. A couple maintenance things when it comes to your dirt cup and filter. Number 1, you can remove this filter. There is a directions here. The directions to unlock the filter. So you just twist it the way it tells you to and vacuum this off. You do not need to wash it. Tap it off, vacuum it off, do not wash it. Your dirt cup can come apart when you bring it back to that 9 o'clock position and then twist it just a little bit further. You can remove these. These 2 can be washed. Go ahead and wash these. Let them completely dry before you put them back together. And in order to get it back in, just gently press this in. Washing this does not have to happen every time. I actually discourage you from washing it every single time. And you don't need to clean this filter off every time. Just use the comfort clean. So you're at the 9 o'clock position, and you're going to bring it back to 11 and then 12 once you put it in. The comfort clean is right here. You twist that 180 degrees 10 times, and that taps the filter off so that the dirt from the filter gets emptied with the rest of your dirt, which is nice. That's going to increase the life of your filter. The filters on these will last you 1 to 2 years. Again, do not wash your filter. It is not necessary to wash this filter. We do sell them if you need to replace it. It is inevitable that hair will get wrapped around this. That's just the nature of a cordless vacuum like this. What's nice about your Miele Triflex is that you have the ability to clean this brush roll and to remove this brush roll very easily. On the back of the unit, there is a button. That button, you press unlock, and then the side of your unit will open. And then you can, I usually help by pulling on the bristles, pull out your brush roll, and you can use a razor blade and cut down the line. There is a groove associated with it, or you can use scissors and cut off the hair. But either way, you want to keep this as clean as possible, because then it prevents anything from getting into the bearings. The bearings will be on the sides of the unit. When you're done cleaning it off, you simply just push it back in and get it to go all the way down to here. And on this side, you want to line it up properly so that it fits in its groove. Close it, and don't forget to lock it. And that's how you clean your cleaner head. Thanks again, guys. If you have any other questions about the Miele Triflex, let me know. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. When you do, it helps out a small business. And we'll see you guys all again soon. Bye.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated.